this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a short order on Tradingview paper. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to log into your account, and from here you'll need to go up to products and then super chart. Once you're inside of the super chart, you'll need to go up to the right hand side and go up to trade, and then from here you'll need to choose paper trading. Once you do that, you'll need to click connect. And once it's connected, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the right hand side again and click trade with your broker. And then from here, it should look something like this. From here, you'll need to go up to the left hand corner and choose the specific symbol that you want to add a short order to. So let's just say I want to add for gold right here. From here, I'll need to go over to the order panel and go over and choose sell instead of buy. From here, I can add whether or not it should be a market order, limit order, or stop loss order, and add how many units I would like to purchase. From here, you can also add exits like take profit by clicking here, and a stop loss by clicking right here. You'll also be able to add a new level if you want to do that, but from here, you'll simply need to click sell like so. And from here, your short order has successfully been placed. As you can see down here, the side short inside of the positions. But that's how you do it. If you have a question about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!